Welcome back. It's the last part of the series Tokyo Auto Salon GR86 and BRZ 2025. Now, special thanks again to AME for always being with us. Check their website and enjoy this video. Now again, if you plan to come to Tokyo and want to do some driving trips or even rent a car, hit up my buddy's site, Tokyo Extreme Drive. And now down to our first GR86 is from the Race Engineering booth. We have a GR86 with the Kazama Auto full aero. It's a replacement bumper. See the carbon fiber air intake duct on the front of the bumper. Good wide body, some aggressive canards right there. You can see that the Kazama Auto wide front fenders are fitted into the TRD front splitter or GR splitters, fully wrapped in gold, and some Gram Lights 57 CR limited in chrome. For these chromes, they only came with the 17 and 18 inch for the PCD 100. 17's got 7Js and 9J, and the 18 has 7.5, 8.5 and 9.5J. Now I believe this is 18 by 9.5 with the 38 offset, and you can see some spacers in there. And then to our next one, we have a GR86 at the Ogura clutch booth. This is a BS GR86 Masa spec. Now, Masa is Suzuki Masahiro, a racing driver known here in Japan. He owns this company called Grow, and this has the full aero kit from Grow. Looking good on some Wedge Sport TC105X Gravel 15-inch 7J plus 35, wrapped in Bridgestone Potenza RE461R Kai Type A. It's a 205/65R15. Next up with the same livery is a GT86 Yokohama wheels Advan Racing RC4s 15 7J and plus 35. Yokohama Advan A036 in 205/65 15s. It's also wrapped in Inks Z Power Wing Aero Kit, and the Ogura clutch livery also has an Inks Z Power Wing. Same Inks Z Power Wing for the ZD8 and ZN8 GR86 BRZ. For this one, we have another GR86 on the Ogura clutch booth. It says some like rookie rally stickers on it. I'm not sure about this one. T37's endless brake kit, and I'm not sure what aero this is. Has those air ducts on the front pillars. Up next on the Drive X booth, we have the HC Gallery HC Racing GR86 Japan 2S. It's from the Fuji Champion Race 86 BRZ Challenge Cup JP2S class. This is on 6-speed automatic, and we see some Advan Racing TC4s, 17-inch 7J44. and some Yokohama Advan A050 21545 17. Wrapped in an Japanese Idol AKB48 Haruka-chan inspired, and we also see some Pro Composite carbon fiber wing. Original exhaust and manifold from Auto Factory. Now another GR86 is the HC Racing GR86 BRZ Cup car. Now this one has a Yokohama Advan TC4s as well, 177J44 with Dunlop BRZ Z3 Cup 21545 17s, and good looking brakes from Advex. Now, DriveX is a company that makes racing simulators, and I don't know much about racing sim, never used one, never got on one, so go ahead and check out their website. Now on the Max Orido booth we didn't see a GR86, but they had some GR86 BRZ parts on display, and this cute Max Orido minifigure. Now up next on the Kazama booth we have a GT86 with some new wide body aero. This is the 2024 Grand Prix winning GR86 body kit that is attached to a ZN6 GT86, and they call it the Kazama Pro mode. To be honest, this actually looks good. You can see it has those like air inlets on the end of the side skirt, just like the ones in GR86. We're looking at race 57 CRs in Yokohama Advan AD09s. The HKS booth, they didn't have a demo car, but they did have the Delta Box ECU tuning packages for the GR86. Now, one of the most interesting parts they have is the carbon brace for the 86 and BRZ for 330,000 yen or around 2,000 US dollars. Now, I'm not sure if there's a huge difference in performance between carbon fiber and steel ones, so I think you can buy the full Kansai service kit if you had that kind of money. Let me hear what you think. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Up next is from the Endless booth. We have the Endless GR86 2024 Super Taikyu ST4 Class Series Champion. Now this has the full Inks Aero body kit including the GT wing, and we have some NK Performance NT03RRs in 17 by 9J, and for 9Js this could be like plus 52 or 40 offset, wrapped in some Bridgestone Potenza slicks, the 235 620 R17s. Up next at the WinMax booth, we have a GR86 wrapped in the WinMax livery. It has the Artisan Spirits GT wide body kit and with some pretty cool Workmeisters M1 3Ps, and the front has a 9.5J 30 and the rear 10.5J 17s, wrapped in Dunlop BRZ Z3 255 35 18 and the rear 265 35 18s. On the rear, we have a Voltex trunk mount GT wing and some Grady Power Extreme exhaust. On the HPI booth, we didn't see any GR86 parts yet, only for the ZN6 and ZC86 and BRZ. The Axel Auto booth, we have a GR86 with the Axel Auto original aero. We did see this last year, TWS T66F wheels in 18 inches. 9.5J 45 front and rear, wrapped in BS Potenza RE12T 265s 35R18s. On the NPAC ASEA Jawa Jasma booth, we have two GR86, one Formula Gymkhana car and the other the 86 and BRZ Cup Champion car. And last but not least is the Seno Japan GR86 wide body kit. Now I feel bad for not taking a video of this. I Don't know what happened, I forgot or something, but they do have the full kit of this in their blue GR86 from last year's Auto Salon part 10. So if you want to check it out, click on the link on the top right. That's all for this year's Tokyo Auto Salon 2025 GR86 and BRZ. Now shoutouts again to AME for always being with us. Now if you like the video, hit the like button for the algorithm, and share us your thoughts on the comment section, and please subscribe for more GR86 and BRZ videos, and see you on the next one.